Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a solar powered pool ionizer. This will help save on 80% less chlorine use, lifetime replacement warranty. This will help kill the algae in pools. It's high efficiency, keeps pools clean and clear. This is great for pools up to 35,000 gallons. Alright, so right here we have this solar ionizer. Here's the specifications. It helps to kill the growth of algae, sterilizes the bacteria, reduces the use of chlorine by 85 to 95%. It says balance the water, mineral ions. So you get the device itself, you get some testing strips, you get the cleaner brush. So inside the box, first off, we do have the user manual. This basically tells you how to clean this, how to replace the node if you need to replace it. So this solar powered cleaner will prevent algae to reduce the amount of chlorine in chemicals up to 85%. No other chemical product is necessary or recommended. The ionizers work perfectly fine with a small amounts of chlorine, and consistently the pH becomes very stable. So now that we removed it from the box, you can first see here is the ionizer and the top solar panel portion. It's got a nice plastic finish. It does have a warning label at the bottom. Says this product can expose you to lead, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or reproductive harm. You can go into the California 65. So you do get a mesh on the bottom, so anything that it picks up, it will keep it inside the mesh, so it will not be put into your pool. So we're going to just twist this up to expose the node. It does take a little bit because it is a little long. So now right here it exposes the copper tubing. So you can remove this spring by just lifting up just like that. So here's the copper tubing. To remove it, all you got to do is twist it. It is a twisting tube and it will remove from the base. So when you put it back on, you just put the spring back on. So now you got to put the net back in. So this will help remove all the debris and not have it floating into your pool. You'll just go ahead and twist this around to tighten it up. So this is great because it covers up to pools to 35,000 gallons that will not harm the finish of your pool or vinyl liners. This works on chlorine pools as well as salt pools. So you do get the brush. This helps you clean off the copper tubing. You could do the top, the bottom, the sides. It'll help it keep it clean. They do have replacements that you can replace it. So here is the brush. It is a really metal bristle brush, so it's a bit thick. So be careful so you don't poke yourself because it is sharp. So it also comes in with testing strips. You do get a pool and spa test strips to test the copper. You get 30 strips here, and it just tells you on the back your testing levels of copper. It says keep on tight between uses. Keep it closed and fresh. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this back on, and then we're going to throw it in the pool and take a look at that over the next couple of days and see if our chlorine use has actually subsided. So it works off the solar, just the sunlight that is outside. This does have a replacement warranty. If you have any problems, you can contact the company and they will replace it at free of charge as long as you're in the warranty. So here's the netted basket to make sure there is no floaties coming out in your pool. It stays right there. You can remove the top to clean it out. So let's make our way to the swimming pool and throw this in the pool and see how it looks. Alright, so we're now in our pool outside in the back. It's nice and clean. We've used a lot of chlorine in here to make it nice and crystal clear. So now that we got this ionizer in here, we're going to take a look at this over the next few weeks and see how it does reduce the chemical use in this pool, since we do not like to swim in a very high chemically chlorine in our pool. So right now we have our little vacuum in the pool to clean it up. So this is what it looks like inside the pool. So if you're looking for an alternative way, instead of using so much chemicals in your pool, I would definitely say check out a solar ionizer. They do help with removing all the algae and keeping your pool crystal clean and not having to use so much chlorine in your pool. So check this one out.